All right, let's build a smart, production-ready AI chatbot from scratch using Python and LangChain.
And this is huge. Most enterprise chatbots are now powered by modular frameworks like LangChain.
So how exactly are developers building these things? Well, it's all about a new modular approach.
The key is an open-source framework called LangChain. It's the go-to for modern LLM applications.
Think of it as the glue connecting your own code to the power of large language models.
So why use it? Its features let you build smarter bots, and you can do it way faster. Okay, our build is a 3-step process. We're going to start simple and build up from there.
But here's the first problem. A basic bot has no memory. It forgets everything instantly.
The fix is simple. We give it a memory. Now it can actually hold a real conversation.
Next up, another big problem. The bot only knows its training data, not your documents.
The solution is called RAG. It gives our bot your documents to read, grounding it in facts.
So when we combine these parts, we get something special, a bot that remembers and researches.
And finally, we wrap it in an API. This turns our Python script into a real application.
This is a total game changer. As one expert says, it puts developers back in control.
And this really hits the nail on the head. Retrieval and reasoning, that's the future right there.
This tech unlocks some really powerful uses, and that's exactly why this stuff matters so much.
Of course, you're going to run into snags, so here are a few common problems and their fixes.
But you also have to think about limitations like response times and keeping your data fresh.
Okay, a big question people always ask. Do you have to be connected to the internet?
And the answer is a definite yes. You can run it all offline for complete data privacy.
All right, another one. What if you need to scale up to handle tons of data? For that, you'll want a dedicated vector database. Think of it like a super smart library.
So the big takeaway here, building chatbots isn't an experiment anymore. It's a real engineering discipline. And get this, with just a couple hundred lines of code, you can build a seriously smart agent.
So the real question is, now that you have this power, what will you build with it?